going to drop the drift truck off at Schmuck Built. Have good old Jason Schmuck make me a manifold and probably intercooler piping and everything. Basically most of the turbo kit. His S2000 was recently on the cover of Super Street magazine. What? Guy is serious.
I remember watching Whiplash DVD when I was in like middle school, and he had this really cool EF up until I met him, and then he turned that into all-wheel drive too. I remember he was doing green burnouts.
Well, flashback to the green smoke.
What are you gonna do to get green smoke?
He was also on Hoonigan's channel,
Yeah, that was
Build
good.
Biology.
That was a good one. Yo, I should flash a card up so you can click on that if you want to see it.
You did a sweet burnout
We're
too.
gonna make a left.
No brakes!
No brakes, get off the brake! Oh, you're dead.
That was it. Sorry, I was.
We were too busy talking.
Yeah, that's it. That big yellow.
So where do we turn around?
Just turn around right here.
You think that goes the whole way around the building?
Oh yeah, I'm sure it does.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
No through street, it says. Watch this U-turn, boys. Here's how we do it.
Yeah,
Here's
we're
now.
stuck. Does it say Whiplash on that?
Oh god.
No, but wow, that was f***ing cool.
You,
Oh god. Just right through the old ditch.
you definitely just squished your toolbox on your trailer.
Oh really?
Oh yeah.
Squished the toolbox a little bit, making that U-turn. Let's go see what old Schmuck's doing. Little showroom. Skateboard trophies. Pretty sweet. Look at all this cool stuff. There's that Super Street layout. Look at that. Oh, that's a tank of argon. Holy hell. What's Schmuck building today? What is this?
It's the guy that makes this shiny.
No, what's that?
What's this?
Yeah, what do you got there?
It's like porcelain media.
Get in there, Ogre.
I can see it.
What do you do with that?
It shakes.
It's like a rock shaker. You remember when you used to have those?
I brought an intercooler, but it's, you know, like I said, I think I'd rather have yours on it. So.
Okay.
I threw one in the trailer just in case.
Okay, I'll throw it in the dumpster.
Yeah, probably will. Oh, you love it, yeah.
Is that the?
That's the.
S2000.
It stays in here where it's warm, but now it's got to go out there.
Uh-oh.
Feel it.
Oh, get a jump. Nothing?
No. This is the worst car to start.
Moments later.
Guy just lost its parking space to a drift truck.
There's some fuel in there.
Flip on the other switch and try that. Like flip them both on.
Fix it other than let it sit for a little bit. What was that? What the is that?
Is that S2000?
Yeah.
Really?
I think it's just.
That's pretty sweet.
Better go film that.
That's weird. Got some fireballs out of it.
Yeah.
That's no bueno.
No. Brand new motor too. Like it's not even tuned.
Ghost ride the whip. Ghost ride the whip. Ghost ride the whip. Ghost ride the whip.
Ghost riding the whip.
She's seen better days, boys.
Yeah, that poor bedside. See, Swartz has a really clean body right now that we could redo this entire truck with, but
I asked him if I could.
That is so not worth it to redo the whole truck.
I didn't say the whole
Yeah, that's a little damage right there.
that was some push starting Skylar at the junk food meet.
I think my exact words were, it's gonna f my bumper up, but okay.
And they're fired up, or we'll just start right up for you.
You're gonna have to count. Earl just making himself at home in there.
I do think pretty well. A push of shame.
Watch your step when you get on the floor in here.
Yeah, it's super
You guys are all
slippery.
gonna fall on your face with wet feet.
Oh yeah, it is.
You shouldn't have told him. That would have been good for camera.
It's okay. Oh, there's no hood prop.
Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe a regular manifold won't fit in there.
No way. Not at all.
That's why I was saying this might have to go.
Eh.
But even then, no.
Should just go straight up out the hood. It's a piece of automotive history. Everything Schmuck's about to do to this truck is way too big for it.
Indeed. Make sure you're subscribed to Whiplash DVD and click that bell so you can keep up with the channel. And since you watched this whole video to the end, I got one more picture of Brittany for you. Give me a like and a share. Tell a friend.
You are taking me down. And if you like what you heard, check out Ghost Rebellion.